Just like I suspected. Gold going in. I like it. Too easy. Let it stop hunt. Let it stop hunt. Hit our first TP like it did. And then let it pull back down. And we're going to get right back into it. That's it. Too easy. Let it stop hunt. Do its thing. But it's cooking. It's definitely cooking. I got about 5 or 6 trades besides the ones that just sit out. And that's really it for trap day. Just definitely trade at your own risk, but don't go crazy. That's all. So let's see. I had Euro USD on the mic. With all this war, I do see this dropping a lot further. If you took this 8-hour one a couple days ago, you hit TP. The one I put out here yesterday for your 24-hour. This was the 24-hour right here. So here you go. 1, 2, 3. TP was hit. So if you took that Euro USD one, you hit TP. So those swing trades I put out definitely are busting. This is your sauce. 160 pips. Too easy. One whole day. 1, 2, 3. 24 hours TP hit. 160 pips. So I gotta put that in there. I forgot I had hit mine. I don't know if y'all be taking it. Let me know. Y'all be taking it? All right. I mean, it's nice to just have your trades and not have to worry about you know, watching it for a whole day. It's nice. Just let it set it and forget it. All right, but I do got to trade for Euro USD though. Just because the war is affecting it, so it's got a lot of movement right now. It's gonna drop one more time. I just gotta find. Hold on. There we go. It's going to drop again though. It's gonna get hit again. This war is tearing it up. It's got a nice pullback coming, but just not as much. So we're gonna take it off the 15 minute. We're gonna come off this 15 minute. So what it did was it came down here. Came down here. It's a nice move. Trapped him, which is nice. Nice trap. But it's got to pull back. So good pullback from here. Pull back. So fake move, real move. Consolidation. It may stop hunt a little further, but I think we're just gonna. It may stop hunt a little further. It might retest this wick maybe, but not too much, and then come back down to complete. So we're gonna let it stop hunt a little bit. We're gonna let it stop hunt. So let's do this. We wanted to come to us a little bit, so we're gonna take it a little higher. Vladimir Putin is doing some things, so he out here doing his thing. Let's let it pull up a little bit, just a little bit. Yeah, let's let it pull up a little bit. We're gonna take it back down. Take it back down. So if I was a market maker, I hit again. Yeah, I hit him again. let it pull up just a little further. That'll give us some breathing room in case it pulls up to the 1 hour aqua. Yeah, we should be good on that. Cause I mean, it could pull up. Let's go right here. We got some pretty good rejection right here. Pretty good rejection right here. Yeah, we wanted to retest this high. We want this retested. Plus, on the higher time frame, if we can get this movement right here, if we can get this movement on a higher time frame right here, if we can get this, so this is great right here. So we know that the body of the candles right here. We play a little bit of a little technicality with it, because that's what they're doing. They're stop hunting. Cause we're in the stop hunting phase right now, so we gotta play stop hunt entries. That's how we play A range, stop hunt entries. So we do something there. We do got a key level right there. So what happens is we want this to come back up. This is gonna be our entry. So we want to retest this up here, and then by the time they retest this, we should get that candle in our direction. So we should hit it a little earlier actually. Right now they're pulling back down here. They're pulling back on the TDI. So yeah, we should get a little bit. So TI should do something like this: pull up, hit the pullback zone, pull up, hit the pullback zone, and then leave the shark fin. Leave the volatility bands. So let's take that on the 15. And if they push, they push. You know, they stop hunting. But that's the furthest. That's the furthest I'm gonna go with the stop hunt, because we missed the entry, and they're in the A range. So we're gonna do a buy limit. Sorry, sell limit. We could even go. Yeah, we do 599. We'll keep it at 1 or 2, just like that. First TP. See if we can get your. It's gonna go, man. This thing's gonna do some work. 11. Let's do 11,900. I usually don't play this, but this and the ruby, like this, the ruby's obviously a big because it's Russian. In oil as well. These plays are they're gonna be hot right now. These are the ones that's gonna be really moving. These are gonna be the ones that actually move. And you see, it's coming to us. It's stop hunting pretty good. We wanted to go a little further. We really want this wick up here, but we may not get that. And if we get that, it's only about maybe 2, 3 pips. Let's see. Yeah, it's what, 11 pip drawdown at the most before they really want to try to push. I mean, so they broke the water, so we know that correction's coming. All right, they came back through your super, right? They threw your super. So 1, 2, sorry, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 through your super. 1, 2, 3 didn't go. So what they'll do is they'll push it one more time and pull down. They'll push it one more time and pull down. So they failed it. So they'll probably hit up here, wicket and entry. Boom, come on down. TDI should true shift. So that's what I see. Once they fail the correction, once they fail in here in the correction, I mean, it's gonna take them a while. I mean, it's gonna at least hit you and put you in profit and then try to go. But once they fail the correction, I mean, it's gonna take a few times, especially on Euro USD. I mean, you got a lot going on Euro USD. You got a lot going on right here. Timmy Johnson's hurting right now. Timmy Johnson hurting right now. You got a lot going on right there, so 11, where am I at? Yeah. Appreciate it. So that's what it looks like, but let them come up a little further. We want them to come up. They will. They'll pull up in the A range. So A range Euro USD has about, yeah, they'll pull up. They'll pull up. You know, they got a lot of rejection right here. We want them to pull up here, and if they don't, that's all good. If they don't, it's all good. But we don't want to just get up in here. Plus, they got news tomorrow. I mean, they got news all for the next month until the war's over. So that's Euro USD for me. So I'm looking at Euro USD. I know people don't play it, but hey, you know. So yeah, let them trap in this A range for a little bit, and then pull up, spike us in, and go in. For all 3 minutes, I hear you. I hear that. All right, so that's EU. My next one is I want to do GJ, but GJ's got some funky things going on, so I gotta wait. I gave you guys a bunch of gold trades. I gave you NAS 100. Hold on, I gotta check NAS. What it do? I don't even know what it did. Okay, so it's that entry. All right, cool. So it's that entry. We'll probably get another NAS play too, or sorry, US30 play. All right, so that is Euro USD. Alright, so let's look at EJ real fast. The Euro pair is going to be moving, so let them fake out and all that stuff, and let that buy limit stay. If it goes away, guys, just let it be. If it goes away, it goes away. But we don't want to lose no money off that if it's going to just, you know, play with this. Alright, Euro JPY. Let's see something. Nope. Timmy Johnson. Alright, let's let it pull back down to us. Let it pull back down to us. Because or the way the TDI is looking does not say buy right now. So let me pull this down a little bit. What level we at? Right there. We could get some crazy movement tomorrow, so we're gonna play it safe. We're gonna play it safe. We definitely gonna play it safe. Definitely gonna play it safe. Alright, where did they trap at? see. 35. That's about right. That is about right. Just let them work for it. So how far they got to pull down? Let's see. Get the A range. They might not pull that far. Let's see. They may not pull that far. Or will they? They might come retest this. All right, we're gonna keep it there. All right, Euro JPY, we're gonna keep it here because they got some news tomorrow, and so everything's just flying around. I mean, like today, what is this today? This thing went 128 pips. So we're gonna trust the analysis. All right, buy limit. Oops. All right, Euro JPY. It's gonna keep stop hunting up here, so let them keep hitting. When they pull back down, we should get a pretty good. Yeah, we should be pretty good. If they take out this low, then they're gone. But we're not gonna go past that low. That's too big of a stop loss from here. So Euro JPY. We gotta let them breathe because when they pull out this A range, look what they do when they pull out this A range. Like this all happened because they declared war. You know, Russia declared war, so all this happened. This is an A range. This is 167 pips. That's not supposed to happen in the Asian session. We already know that. Supposed to have no more than 75 pips on a minor pair. We already know that. So this was already blown out. Look what happened. It came here. It was already blown out. It consolidated. So if we look at here. Look what it did. 100 over 75 pips. Once you know it come out the A range, you know it's consolidating. And then it came down here, hit a couple stop hunts with a nice vector. So they hit you with this right here. They came out of here and they did boom. Hit you with that vector right here. Pull out the A range, boom, vectored. They hit you with the vector there. And they pull back, gave you a nice entry. Gave you a nice entry. All right. Spread ×2. All right, you were good to go. Nobody came back. And they took off. But you didn't get in because they gave you a nice little consolidation. All this consolidation right here. This whole right here. This whole consolidation. But they gave you some pins and railroads right here, though. So they consolidated. When they broke out, they consolidated really good. They gave you some pins and railroads. They slowed down and then they took off. They took right off. And guess what they did? They vectored down, gave you your money, bam, out of there. 128 pips. So that's an easy play. I keep saying, do your homework. That's patience right there. So I mean, yeah, you got a nice. They vectored up, but not high enough. They didn't do it high enough. Like I would see this. I would take it. Yes, 100%. You got the first play, because you got the first play right here, which is London. So yeah, they vectored up, but not high enough. But they gave you a nice little push. Nice little push. You want it higher in this A range, but they gave you a little consolidation. So out of this consolidation, you've seen this first high, second high. You got divergence right here. You got divergence on the TDI. Bam. So you see it. Entry. TP. Guess what? New York reversal comes. All right. New York reversal comes. And guess what happens? They gave you another nice vector down. completely blew out this A range right here. All right, they gave you an entry, but at 9:45, what they throw you guys? Let's see, they threw you at 9:45. They threw a hammer. They threw that nice hammer. They threw a hammer. Threw the hammer there, bam, took off. 9:45 reversal. So that's what they're doing. But so we're gonna take this buy limit there. So, but yeah, just look what your pairs are doing, guys. What they're doing right here. This is the complete markup. This is one move down. So you could have took the same play. The same play. You could have took this just by looking at the market and playing it. 5 o'clock in the morning. 90 pips to 100 pips. Come back up same day by just watching what the market's doing. Trapping Timmy Johnson and Johnson family another 125 pips just on one pair. Over 320 pips on one pair. Come on, man. We don't make this stuff up. We don't make this up. This is literally what the market did yesterday. It's exactly what it did. Can't make this up. All right, so that's what I'm saying on EJ. So let that be. And we gonna watch that divergence though on the TDI. Like don't rule it out. Get used to that TDI, man. It's gonna tell you everything. Our EJ is good to go. Let that breathe for a minute. Come to us. Come to us. But that's an easy play though. I mean like that. That's an easy play, man. That's such an easy play. That really is. That's like textbook right there. That's textbook. That's lovely. That's too lovely. That's excitement. I'm pretty upset I missed that. That's actually pretty nice. That's one of my pairs too. I like Euro JPY and Euro NZ. The only ones I like for Euro. All right, so we got that. Ian got the fringe, so that's a no-go. AJ's probably a no-go. I had it down, but it's probably a no-go down. Yeah, it's a no-go down. All right, you guys give me 3 pairs. The pairs that I have, they actually consolidated. So I had to wait for the end of the day to actually consolidate. So I don't want to play about consolidation. So I'm gonna go with y'all. Give me 3 pairs, and we're gonna get them. We're gonna get them going. I'm gonna let y'all usually don't do it, but the pairs I'm looking at, they consolidated all because of the news. So let me know what y'all trying to be at. We're gonna set them up. USD JPY. All right, cool. Let's check it out. That's a good one. UJ, that's a good one. I gave y'all NAS. I gave y'all. We should be in profit on NAS right now. We should be in NAS right now. Buku profit. Hold on. Not Buku profit, but good enough, right? I think. Hold on. Yeah, we should be in profit on NAS. Oh, you missed it. Oh, we about to hit. Oh, we about to smack all the way back down to 13,100. This thing's in profit. Yeah, we hit that. That's one of the first ones. We'll find another entry. We'll find another entry. We'll see. I mean, it's got to pull back, right? So, but I don't know what it's gonna pull back. I can't say it is because yesterday this thing went 1,000 pips in 1 hour, so I can't say that no more. I don't know. NAS, yeah, and right now it hit Timmy Johnson trapped up there too. What I'm looking at, I don't know. I don't know if it's coming back. We'll look at it though. We'll look at it. We'll check it out. All right, USD JPY is throwing an A range. A range MES. So let's check it 1 hour. All right. Let's see. USD JPY. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I was racked out, man. I was gone. I was like, oh snap! Time to hit me up too. I was mean. Little man was gone. So he ate. And I was chilling. I was like, class. What do you mean? What's today? I forgot what. I thought today was Friday. I'm like, oh snap! I was all over the place. Hey, we all were. Hey, Terry, look, I was too. I had to get him back. Look, hey, look. No, not last night. No, I wasn't. The night before, but I got it back. We got it back. But yeah, last night. Oh, I didn't even touch it. I was like, nah, I'm not touching this. After I told y'all last night I wasn't touching it. I seen it go 1,000 pips in the A range within the opening. I was like, yeah, I'm not touching this thing. Crazy. No way I'm touching this. All right, UJ. All right, UJ. All right, UJ's got some pretty good structure. It's got some pretty good structure. It took out this high right here, which means that they're probably gonna take off, which means they can on the 1 hour. They took it out. This was yesterday's, so let's look at something. What was yesterday's? You got me dying. Oh man. All right. So this is the high. First high was taken out. Boom. All right. So what they could do is, all right. They might. This is the low. That's the low. So that's the low of the week. So they definitely took off already. This is the high of the week because of the news. So tomorrow they broke out that fringe. So they got to pull back what to the aqua, right? They got to pull back to the aqua. They broke that fringe. Boom. They pull back. So let's see how far this aqua is. They do a 50-50 bounce off this. 40 pips. Let's check it out. So they got the fringe right here. Nice fringe. Let's see what they did. They did a fringe on a higher time frame, which is all right. They got a nice fringe on a higher time frame. Broke the fringe, pulled back, complete correction, reversal, complete reversal. Broke it for an hour and a half. Pull back, 50-50 bounce. Okay, so 40 pips, just about 40 pips. So if I was this market maker, I'd drop them 60 and then bounce off the aqua. That's what I would do. So let's see what we can get back. Let's see what we can get. I bounce off 60 if I was a market maker. I'll bust them up. So let's see. Let's take it. Let's wait for them to pull back. So they'll pull back 30 in the A range. Give us 30 during New York. That's 60 pips, right? So let's check it out. Bam. All right, that's the entry. Right underneath that aqua. Bam. I would kill them. I would kill everybody. Bow. All right, so let's find our stop loss though. Cause we don't want to take it to that low. Not too much. So let's see. 60. They go 100 pips in a day. Another 40 to the stop loss. News pushes it. Another 10. We might be able to be good. We could probably put below that low. Let's do below that low. Let's do 3 pips below that low. Just out of the reach of the dealer. Bam. All right. And let's take off. We might get a 1 to 3 out of this. But we'll go 1 or 2. We'll keep it simple. It's Friday. Let's get our money in and we can leave a runner for the weekend if you want. All right, so we got a TDI high time frame. We got a nice shark fin out, shark fin in. Pullback's coming. The pullback should come back here. Hit the TDI's aqua in 1 hour. Once it hits that TDI aqua, we know the market's gonna pull down, hit our buy limit and go in, which means it's gonna come here. It's gonna true shift and come up. Leave the band. Should leave the bands. So let's let them do that. Let's let them do that. So we got a buy limit. It's gonna be 114,900. Now, if these don't hit tomorrow, Just delete them and we'll reanalyze it. That's all. We'll reanalyze it. Worst case, we'll reanalyze it. But we want this hit tomorrow though, because they're gonna be pushing. So they'll pull 30 tonight and probably another 30 during New York, and then take off. All right, first TP. Let's get it. Let's get one for the culture. We always got to get the first TP. One for the culture. Let's do 25. Let's take it to the 115. Let's do 150. 115. 150. All right, and then we're gonna do next TP. We're gonna do go all out. Take your money as you see it. After that one, let's do it that way. USD JPY by limit. AJ, I got you on that one, AJ. We'll check out AJ. Y'all love these JPY pairs, don't y'all? Oops. What am I doing? Alright, USD JPY. Alright, and AJ, right? Is it AJ? Alright, let's check out AJ. AJ, and then we'll look at the indices, see what's up with him. See what's up with him. Yeah, I know we busting that. I know we busting Nas 100 down though. I know that much. We're gonna catch it. We're gonna catch another one. We might. It might just drop and never come back. So I can't promise you. But I'm gonna show y'all again how to catch these indices while y'all on, so y'all can practice over the weekend. I'm gonna show y'all exactly how to do it though. All right. So we're gonna catch it. I'm gonna show you exactly what I do to catch these indices. How I play it, just not off TDI. I'll show you guys off TDI when you guys give me 1,000 vectors, and then I'll show you how to play off TDI. Alright, so you AJ. But until then, I'll show you how to play stop hunt, that's all. Nothing wrong playing the stop hunt. I play stop hunt every day. Actually, you guys play stop hunt every day, just don't realize it. Y'all, that's why y'all snipers, man. That's why y'all snipers. Y'all play stop hunt and don't even realize it. Give me 1,000. You give me 1,000 vectors. I'll show you it. I don't give you individually. Give me 1,000 vectors. I'll show you. You're gonna be so upset after I show you too. You're like, wow, are you for real? I'm like, yep. That's what it is. That's the famous play. Alright. AJ. 1,000 vectors, give him. There's a reason I stress vectors, guys. There's a reason. Because the market vectors every single day, 24/7. That's why. And if you can catch these vectors 24/7, you're going to make money 24/7 consistently. You'll be able to look at the market and catch it. Alright, AJ. I think AJ is going to do the same thing UJ is doing, guys. So let's see what's up. They're going to do the same thing. They're going to do the same thing. Yeah. Alright, so AJ. They have a nice touchback here. They're starting to consolidate in a higher time frame. So they clouded over on a 15-minute. They clouded over and they fringed. They completely just hung out on the 4-hour aqua. They hung out. They just hung out. They're hanging out. So they're trapping everybody right now. They're just trapping them all because of the news. So what happens is AJ will. Where's gold at? Let's find out where gold's at. Alright, so perfect. AJ is going to drop with gold. So what we're going to do is we're going to let it drop with gold. We got gold pending 1902, something like that. Which is a plus. So let's let this drop 30 something pips. So they go how far in the A range? Let's see. I can't remember. Those are not blown out. Yesterday, I believe they were blown out yesterday. They were blown out yesterday. Yeah, they're blown out. See that blown out pair? And what they do right here, they consolidated. They took out people right here. Bam, and took off. And look how far they went. Look how far they went. They went 79 pips. That's a lot. After being consolidation. That's a lot.
Looks like you lost another one.
That's a lot. It's crazy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it off to 1 hour. We want to see everything. That blue, this EMA 800 right here, this 800 is a very, very key level right here. This is our lagging higher time frame. So things want to pull back to this. So we're gonna take it at this level here. Things want to pull back to that. So 82,400. Was that 82,400? Yeah, 82. We'll do 82,400. We'll do that. We'll do 82,400. Let's see how far this pullback can be after the A range. It's 20, 37. We're out of reach of the dealer. 6 pips. Bam. Give me that. Bam. Take it back to that high here, or this high here. So let's see how far these highs are. First, I think that's well enough. It's well enough. That's good enough. I'm not gonna say it can't, so we're gonna put it up here because if gold takes off, this will take off. And it looks like it already did take off 2 days ago. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna take it there. Our risk to reward is gonna be good on this. Yeah, out of reach of the dealer. Key levels right there. Wow. That key level is crazy because look at this. That's crazy. That key level is crazy. Key levels are important for us because that's where our legs are. So we care about key levels. We don't care about support resistance. We care about key levels because that's where the rejections are. And the rejections we got to care about because that's where our legs are. So we zoom in. That's a key level right there. As we see, they got trapped down here. Bam, took off. So we should be all right. Yeah, the key level. Yeah, our stop loss is there, so we should be all right. Yeah, we're just about there. I'm happy with that. I feel comfortable with that. Yeah. Just about. Yep. Here we go. Perfect. So we should let it drop some. So all right. So we're gonna do a buy limit on this, and we're gonna let it fly with gold. Australian dollar. Let it fly. So. We could take the A range high, but we'll just do 30. All right, that's AJ. That's AJ. Here we go. All right, I think we're good on that one. I think we're good on Forex for now, just because it's just crazy. It's gonna be crazy right now. I won't mess with, yeah, I won't mess with GJ and stuff too much. Probably not to tomorrow. I need GJ to do some things to move, because GJ likes to do that New York reversal deal. So we're gonna let it be for a minute. That's AJ. So now you see what the trades are like. You see what I'm looking at. All right, let's look at some of these indices. Hold on, let me mess that. My bad. There we go. Too easy. All right, here we go. Indeed. All right, indices. Let's check them out. Gold, we already got gold. We don't have to worry about gold. We already took TP1 on gold. You guys have a runner. 1807.20 was the stop loss entry. If you took your money, cool, but we're gonna let it pull back some more. Around yonder. Around here. If it goes lower, cool, but 1874 is my jackpot. If it hits 1874, we in trouble. Because that's a long way down from 1970 back to 1870. I told y'all today, I seen gold go from 2080 back to 1800 within a week. Within like 3-4 days, it was back there, flowing, never pulled back. Complete, just all red candles. All red candles. So yeah. So yeah, that's a long, but what it's doing is breaking this down so it can reach back up here. So it did a long back in 2020, went all the way up here. This is where I saw gold up here. Bam. All the way up here. You see this? It's where we had gold right up here. We were smacking this thing all 2020, smacking it. This is when I was back in the Telegram days. Trashing gold. And then all of a sudden, something happened. And it just tanked. It just tanked. COVID, some more COVID things happened in the tank. So it's coming back up here. It's coming. It's got to break. It broke it already, yeah. So it broke it. It's gonna pull back, come back down one more time, and take off. I would say by let's say by let's say April, May, end of May, this thing should be at 3,000. The way things are going, it's safe haven right now. It's a safe haven. So look at this nasty. This thing's coming back up here. It's coming back. It's coming back. So it'll be back up there. Know why? Because they trapped Timmy Johnson up here. He ain't, and they, you know what I'm saying? So he can wait for him to come back. Everybody's like, oh, it's buying. He's finally going to 3,000. And guess what? That thing came back down there. This is comedy. I'm sorry. It's a comedy. I just laugh at it. It's like, dang, that used to be me. It used to be me just thinking it's coming back. It's never coming back. No stop loss. Nothing like that. Just hanging. So we got this going already on gold. So all the stuff is already in gold. It's good to go. Let's check out oil. Oil's doing some freaky thing. We won't mess with that right now. The war is messing that up. All right, NAS 100 is already flowing. All right, so how we play it? This is how we play it. That's how you don't get trapped. Start from the bottom. Start from the bottom out here. Y'all want EMAs or no EMAs? How y'all wanna do this? How you want to break this down? How you want me to break it down? EMAs or no EMAs? What's gonna help you see it? I mean, this goes to any pair, but this, how you help me see, some of y'all pay indices, so how you want it? EMAs or no EMAs? EMAs, all right. EMA, Eric said EMAs. Okay. All right, so the biggest thing you want to see on these indices is one thing is they trap. They trap, okay? They do a lot of trapping. So one thing you can do is come to the 15, right? You can, but I like to come to the hour because I can see the real trap. Now, a lot of y'all don't play on the hour because you're afraid of the drawdown stuff. But if you play from the hour, you'll actually get less drawdown because you're moving with that nice candle. All right? You'll get actual less drawdown. Your stop loss will be more precise. Your entry will be a lot faster. So if you do from the hour, you see things a lot better. So what I like to see, I gotta see traders trapped. That's the first thing that goes in my head. Where is everybody getting trapped? And then I look to my left. Nothing but space down here. So we knew NAS was coming down here. And plus the tank. It tanked. So what happens is you gotta find that key level. So key level, I like to put them on the body. I don't want to put them on the wicks because the wicks let me know that was rejection. I need to see the rejection. You could put them on the wicks, but guess what? If you put them on the wicks, you won't get a true entry. You know what I'm saying? So I like to put my key level line on the body, right on the bottom of it. All right, and I like to get it key level. All right, so I get my key level. All right, got my key level there. Now I got my key level. Let me stretch it out a little bit so I can see everything. The marker's gonna play around. So I'm gonna replay it back for you for a second so you can actually see what's going on. When you see this happening, this is your leg, so you can mark it up. Like don't lose everything you're doing. Mark it up. Key level. That's important for us. We want key levels because that's where our legs are. Our legs is right there. Now we got our leg. That's important to us. Trap traders. Now we can get in on a shift or we can get in right away. All right, when we want to. We can get a sniper entry. Because some of you guys do like a few pips on that, 300-400 points, and bam, you're done. You know what I'm saying? It's fine, nothing fine with that. $100, you're out of there. So we see that leg there, we're good. We got the leg, and then we gotta see this come back to the key level. It's gotta come back to the key level. So don't take trades that's not at key level. Because we got the pullback. We have the pullback. Key level, and then we have a pullback. We got our pullback there. We want that pullback to happen. So we got our pullback. When you see this pullback happen on them, let them pull back. They might pull all the way up here. Who cares? But you can't do anything until they come back to a key level. When they come back to that key level, all right, they're coming back. They're presenting this. They're giving it to you. You got to make sure they come back towards that key level. Bam. So now they hit that key level. We see that, right? Give me some ones in the chat. You see that. They pulled back, and now they hit the key level. All right, they hit the key level. We need them to come back to hit that key level, not break it. We don't care about breaking retests. I don't care about none of that crap. I just need rejection to happen. When rejection happens, that's the excitement. Now I know you're really trapped because it came back twice to my key level. I'm going to hit it again because that's one of the second lowest points. So now that I see that, now I need the next candle after it comes back to be rejected. Or sometimes I might just give it to you right away. You know, I know, I think it was, who was it? Carlene posted one and it just flew immediately. It'll do that. You know what I'm saying? But you want to see this rejection. All right. When you see the next candle be bullish, like a nice bullish body. All right. And it came back again. Look at that. That's what you can do. Bam. Nice bullish body. You come back. Look at this. All this rejection. Nothing says get in. You just need the next candle to be bullish after your rejections. So let them trap. Boom. There you go. So now we move this back over because that's a nice low point. We know we solidified because they broke that low, which is fine. So move it over. That's all right. Because they broke it. Now we have what we want. Let that candle close, which I'm pretty sure this is going to close. That's a nice candle. Let it close along the position. Get in the trade. Find where your low's at. All right. Here's your low. You can even put it at the second low. Doesn't matter. All right. Drop some risk management on it. All right, drop some risk management. This is the 1 hour time frame. This is how you hold your nice trades. Right below it, bam, right below it, and then you're gonna go 1 to 2. All right, because now you got levels to break. You got pushes. The market has to push in threes, right? So now you have an entry. Once it closes, you're boom, you're in there, which I'm pretty sure is gonna close. So now you have level 1. Level 1 push. Now you have a level 2. Then you have a consolidation. And you have a level 2 push. And why is that level 2 push? It's because the market hit here and rejected up here. You want to see what the rejections are. So this is A. Once it passed that A range, or if you see it come back to A range, boom, it's the automatic level 1. Automatic level 1. It's got to pass that A range to take off. If it don't pass that A range, it's gonna or the A range high, it's gonna be really consolidated. So they got level 2 push. All right, you can even level 2 push might even in here, but we want to be at the pullback. That was where the last pullback was at on that push. So that's the last pullback. And now you got level 3, which is right here, which is the TP. All right. So which would pass that TP, it takes off. But it probably won't right away. All right. So what happens is we play it. Boom. Keep going. You're in profit. You see minimal drawdown. Do you guys see that? Let me some twos in the chat if you see the minimal drawdown. If you get in correctly on the minimal drawdown. That's why I get in on the higher time frames. Minimal drawdown. 600 points. Who cares? You're playing an 01, $60 drawdown. Come on. The $60 drawdown versus the 300 you guys are usually in, right? So we have that minimal drawdown. Once you get in, continue. All right, TP1's already hit. Go to TP2. TP2 is hit. All right, boom. Good to go. How's that feel? Let me know. How I look? How's it look? Look pretty good to you? Because it looks pretty good to me. That's how you catch those entries. That's how you catch it. This right here, that's how you catch it. All right, that's how you. It takes practice, guys. You gotta back test. That's why I say get on the charts. But this is what you guys are playing. This is a W. Look what you guys are playing. Bam. We care about that. Bam. Boom. Look what didn't happen here. It didn't cross. Guess what happened? Shift. Boom. You did all that and didn't even realize the market shifted. You know what I'm saying? This is how you can trade. You did all that and didn't realize the market shifted. You just saw stop hunt, key level, boom, hit me down here. It came back again, but it gave me that bullish candle I wanted, and now I'm off to the races. Next thing you know, guess what? You done took your entry at the shift. So that's how it is. That's right. Homework. That's how you do it. Spread times 2. Spread times 2. So whatever your spread is, still spread times 2. Nothing changes with stop losses. Spread times 2. Puts it out of the reach of the dealer. Because what's going to happen is they're going to come back down here. So they're all trapped down here. You know what I'm saying? They're all trapped down here. Everybody's trapped. So they're thinking them sell, sell, sell. Sell, sell, sell. So spread times 2. That's all. But that's how you play it. That's how you play it. This call is recorded, so when I post it, it's gonna be on YouTube too. So everybody on YouTube gonna see it. They're gonna see the sauce. Everybody on YouTube gonna see the sauce. It's okay. It happens. But that's a lot, man. Look at this. This is a takeoff right here. This is like this is the best entry. This is like you can't. This is waiting for it. This is you marking it up. You checking back and forth to see where your levels are at, and then bam, takeoff. Don't even have to think about it. I mean, the worst you get is what? It comes here, and then it pulls back bullish and hits your stop loss, yes. But guess what? I mean, you can't be mad about your setup. Your analysis just didn't go the way you want it. But you can't be mad about this setup. This is a good setup. You know, so that's all this. Same thing up here. So we got in a little early though. We got in a little early on this one. But they can stop hunt back up here. We got it up here. All right, so I seen this here. I seen it reject up here, so I got it up here. Saw that key level. I said, you know what? We're gonna get in. Got it up here, and then we got it on this candle here. We pulled down, and then it pulled back up, and now we're in profit. We should be in profit right now. I think so. I haven't checked. Yeah, we're in profit still. So we're still in profit, looking good. All right, so we're looking something like this right now. Good profits, you know, we're looking something like this right now. I think it's 14,100. Yeah. And we're looking all the way down here. So that's what we're looking like right now. Just like that. And we're looking to just come on down. That's all. Come on down. They come up here. I mean, this is all right. I mean, they can come back up here, but we'll see. We'll see. I don't see it happening, but we'll see. Because this right now, this market is bearish as all can get out. It had to pull back, take back some of those sellers. So I mean, yeah. Highest I see is come right back up to our entry, and then pull it back down. 4 hour, let's see. Yeah, 4 hour. Yeah, they stop hunting. If we get this to close bearish, and another one closes bearish, this thing's gone. So we come back down here, and this thing pulls. Yeah. Only thing I see happening is that it's coming back up here and flirting with our stop loss. But right now, this thing is pretty bearish. About to create this right here. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty bearish. Let's check the 8 hour. Yeah, 8 hours doing the same thing. Everything 12 hour, everything lining up. The daily, it's all lining up, guys. 2 day, 2 day. Dang, look at that 2 day, man. That's crazy. Look at that sauce. 1, 2. You in this thing for 1, 2, 3 a whole week. Look at that sauce. Look at that BTS. Oh my gosh, that 2 day. But yeah, that's what Nas is doing. So let's check out US 30. Let's check US 30 out. Let's see what US 30 is doing. So Nas is good to go right now. We aren't in there. I can't even like do another entry because it might just pull back. Tomorrow I will though. I'll check it out tomorrow. See what happens. Yeah, yeah, US 30 is not doing much. Let's check the 1 hour. It's consolidating more. Yeah, US 30 is. So here's US 30 here. Nice pullback. Hit the aqua. Trap traders. And now they're consolidating. So I would wait. I'll wait. So you need a nice good bearish candle. This is trash right now, so you can't do anything. Yeah, you can't do anything on this. This is just indecisive. What US 30 can do is come down here a little bit and then consolidate some more and then pull a little higher. See. Pull a little higher. On a stop hunt. Yep. Pull a little higher in the stop hunt. Yep. Just like they'll do. And then they'll just they'll tank. Take everybody out. Oh man. They'll take them all out. Take everybody out with them. Had Terrence yesterday, huh? They had you on Terrence. Nas had you though. They had you going. Yeah, I would wait on US 30. I wouldn't mess with it too much. Nas 100, you good. It's a little less harsher on your account. A little less harsher. US 30, man, you gotta be careful with that thing. But if you in profit right now on Nas and you just don't want to go to sleep on it, like just take 95% of your money. If you play like a 03 or 04, take the 03, take all of it but 01. Put your stops, put it at your stop loss, or you put your stop loss in, 14,100, or you can move it up, but just keep a runner going, and it's not gonna kill your account. You know what I'm saying? If you do a runner, if you like, what, I don't want to go sleep on it. I'll keep a runner. Take your money, take a runner, or put it break even, or keep your stop loss where it's at, but just keep a runner. That's all you can do if you don't feel comfortable with it. There's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that at all. I keep plenty of runners. I'll let them run. Let them run. Keep my stop. That's how I know that's how I know if it hits stop loss or not on these swing trades. That's how I know. I'll keep a runner, like a 03 or something like that, and I gotta see my analysis. Set it and forget it. I want to start trying to play silver a little bit. Silver pays out a little better than gold. And start trying to study a little bit more silver. Study how it moves. Play some silver soon. Probably in about April. I gotta study it for a good 30 days, and I have to profit off it first to make sure we're good. SPX, I don't play SPX 500. It's the same as US 30. All right, France 40. That's what I need to see. France 40. Probably doing the same thing that US 30 is doing. Nope, it didn't. There you go. There you go. Look at that. There's that entry. Close. Bam. Entry. Here you go. France 40 even did it for you. This is a nasty gap too. Yeah, for sure. They catch you up here. Nice little reversal coming. Yeah, they came back down there. Yep. The buy's right here. France 40 got it for you. They came back. Look at that. They came back, boy. They gave you what you wanted. They gave you that nice pullback, but they didn't give you. Yeah, they gave you all that. Came back again. Bullish. I mean, this would have been your entry right here. This would have been a good entry right here. I wouldn't have been mad about this, been a little early instead of that one. I'd have definitely probably took this one. I'd have spread times 2. This was not tripping wrong way. I'd have took it. I'd have been in early. Yep, came here. I'd have been in. It's all the way in there. 1 or 2. I've been all the way in there, right there. Entry. So came key level, came down, rejection. gave you what you wanted, but then it pulled back nice and bearish. Once it closed, there's your entry. Bam, a little bit of drawdown, take off. So pretty chill, pretty good, pretty fast. Pretty fast entry on that. I wouldn't get it now. I'm saying that would have been the entry. Your entry technically, if you was waiting for the shift, is after this candle. So you'll be way up here. See how far it is? See how fast those sniper entries are here versus down here waiting for the stop hunt? It's a big difference. Up here versus down here. It's a big difference. So I'm showing y'all that because when March comes, these vectors are going to hit and you're going to want those sniper entries. You know, when GU pushes 40 pips, guess what? You get 60 because you in there. So that's how it works. All right, let me see. I don't think I have anything else. We already put NAS and 30 out. I want France 40. I won't mess with it right now because we already missed it. So we'll just hang out on it. Other than that, I definitely appreciate y'all hopping on. Now I got some sauce. You can see exactly what I'm looking at. So if you want to take some money on US 100, go for it. Nothing wrong with that. Other than that, I'm gonna see y'all during the week next week, most likely. I got this class done for EMA, so I'm gonna be a little MIA on it. I'm gonna be on London session, just about London session, probably throwing out some trades or something in the mornings. But I gotta finish this course for y'all so y'all can get it going. I've been procrastinating, so I've been busy, but at the same time procrastinating. But other than that, y'all enjoy the night. Protect your assets. All right, don't hop in the market, lose all the money that you made all week just because you want to catch that nice NAS 100 US 30 runner. Don't do all that. All right, don't do it for the gram. Don't do it for the gram. Enjoy the night.